there!
Hey, everybody!
And welcome to episode 10 of the 5-Star Grow Along.
Let's go get a bird's eye view of the garden.
To the Growmobile!
Lift off!
It's been so hot lately. Lots of scorching hot sun.
No kidding, but the plants sure have gotten big.
Okay, let's get down to business. Rotten, how wide is the squash plant now?
Squash measurement coming right up. Whoa, it's over 50 inches wide.
And looks like we've got 10 squash. And how about that tomato plant,
I'll admit it, it's a real beauty.
Just look at all these adorable baby tomatoes.
Aw, coochie coochie coo.
There are too many to count.
102, 103. Oh, pretty. Oh, shoot, I lost count.
And of course, we can't forget about our pepper plant.
It's 18 inches tall now with 8 peppers.
Oh no! Look how the peppers got sun-scald. Next time, we may need to add a row cover to give them some shade.
Some veggies can't take the heat and get a little too much sun. Right, would you put sunscreen on my back? I don't want to get any tan lines.
Maybe later. Ready to mix some water with the 5-Star Grow Kit?
My middle name is ready.
I thought your middle name was Barry. And this week, we're still in the bloom phase. Thanks, helping hands. All right, looks like that's it.
Tune in next time to see how much we can harvest.
So until next time, like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more videos. And to learn more, visit SierraNaturalScience.com.
See you later.
Bye for now.